Hello everyone, this is Rubel from BFix Tech. So today we are going to change the battery of Xiaomi or it's a Xiaomi clone. It's called Crony M365 and we are currently going to change the battery of this one. Okay, so let's get started. I don't know which one I used last time. I think it's probably something. Oh no, so it's not that one. I have to figure out. It's a Phillips screw. So which one? Which one? Not this one. So this one is the one. Okay. No. Okay, so here you go. We got the correct one now. So you guys can see it. There is like 4 screw inside. They I have to pull out. You can see here. 2 is here. Other 2 is that part. Okay. So okay, let's see what we can do. And the BMS is in front. So this is basically the BMS for battery. So what we need to do, first of all, just disconnect the battery. Okay, it is a must. You need to disconnect the battery, then you do whatever you want to do. Okay, so well, let's see, does it work or not? Yes, standard is working. It's a very nice decent battery. I tried to got that one, but it is very hard to get that one in Singapore or Asian country. Somehow I failed to got that one. But anyway, other than that, okay, so I got what I wanted. Let's see. Yep. Alright. There you go. Voila. The battery is here. It's a very nice decent pack. I wanted to get exact similar to this one, but I could not find that one really. So I like the protection. Babu, look at that. Very nice battery, right? Perfect protection battery. You can see it's a Kai power, but I never find this one really. Unfortunately, I tried, but I failed. Probably what I can do, I can open it, and if this is a very risky thing, if I, let's say I open it and then put the battery in. Anyway, let's just forget about this one. Damn, it was really secured, no? Perfect battery pack. I could have opened it anyway. But let's see my new one. I will do a measurement of new one. Okay. So for you guys, for your eyes only. So yeah, they are same in size, and cable is obviously same. So it's alright. Let's try it out. Alright guys, moment of truth, we'll see. So first of all, I want to have a better view so that I can work well. I'll see. Is that okay for you guys? I guess it is not okay for you guys because you could not here see anything. Now probably you can. Alright. Moment of truth. Well deserved, brother. Yep. Oh my, it's fit perfectly. Very good. Very good. Okay, let me. This one I will put it securely somewhere until I get a better one. Anyway, just bear with me, people. So I'm doing so much work for you guys, but nobody like subscribe my channel. I don't know why. I hope you guys this time subscribe my channel. Anyway, so first of all, I'm just screwing them a little bit loosely. You know why? Because if I need to change it, I will change it. Now, okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfecto. Always, whenever you work with battery, always make sure to unplug the battery first and then work. Okay. I hope you guys got the idea right. Because sometimes it is disastrous. It's a lithium ion battery, right? So until our scientists make one, probably I'll work on my PhD on that one anyway, making good batteries that doesn't turn on fire. But yes, until some of our scientists make such kind of battery, we have to survive with lithium ion. Oh, so let's do it. First of all, the BMS. I guess that's it. Second of all, this is okay. So it is ready now. All right.